Buy and sell indicators are essential for simplifying trading opportunity by providing clear signals for buying and selling of any financial asset. However, some of them often generate false signals, leading to frustration and questioning of their effectiveness. So in this video, I'm going to show you this standout buy-sell indicator, which we can combine with a trend indicator to create a profitable trading strategy. This strategy focuses on making informed decisions and increasing your success in the financial market. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just a beginner, this video provides valuable insights to improve one's trading game. So I recommend you watch the video till the end, so you can grab the full value in this video. So, if that's something you're interested in, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now let's get right into the video. Now to get started with this indicator, you want to go to TradingView and then open any trading security that you like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the 5-minute time frame of the Swiss franc with the US dollar currency pair. Next, you want to click on this Indicators tab and type in the Range Filter Buy and Sell Indicator. And you want to select this one that was created by this TradingView user, known as Phantom Trader. And then the indicator will be added to the chart. And now at this point in time, I know you may be thinking, but what exactly is the Range Filter Buy and Sell Indicator? Well, the beauty of the range filter is in how it smooths out the price fluctuations. I recommend you think of this as a noise canceller for your chart. Instead of showing you every tiny wiggle in price, it waits until the price moves. And before signaling a potential trend change, the range must exceed a certain threshold. This approach draws inspiration from volatility-based indicators like the QQE. However, this indicator applies the concept directly to price data. Basically, the indicator identifies a smooth average price range and then employs a multiplier to evaluate what counts among the significant price fluctuations. This indicator is composed of the following components. First, we have the range filter, which is this white line that changes color to blue depending on the market trend. If the market is bullish, the range filter will be white. As you can see, the candles are also going to have the same color, but if the market is bearish, the range filter is going to be colored blue. The same is going to be reflected on the candle. Now at the top we have the high target and at the bottom we have the low target. These are basically the areas that you can use as the trailing stop loss for your entries. The area in between the targets and the range filter is filled with a gray color at the top and a blue color at the bottom. We also have buy and sell labels that indicate when the price breaks outside the range area. The gray area at the top is called the high target range, and the blue area at the bottom is actually called the low target range. Now a buy signal will be given if the price breaks and closes above the high target range, and a sell signal will be displayed if the price breaks below the low target range. Now let's take a closer look at the settings of this indicator and explore how customizable it can be. Here on the Input tab, first we have the source, which has been preset to use close of the candlesticks, then it's followed by the sampling parameter, which has a default value of 100. If you want the indicator to respond more sensitively to price changes, you can reduce the sampling period. On the other hand, if you prefer a broader long-term perspective on the market, you may want to increase this value. The same principle applies to the range multiplier setting. Increasing this value will widen the range generated by the indicator, as shown on the chart. Conversely, lowering the range value will make the range narrower and more focused. For my setup, I'll stick with the default value. Next, we have the Style tab, which offers several customizable visual options. Here you can toggle various elements on or off to tailor the indicator's appearance to your preferences. Once you've made your adjustments, if there's any you want to change, be sure to click OK to apply the changes. This indicator primarily functions as a buy-sell signal generator, but it can also be used to identify market trends. A bullish trend is indicated when the candles are colored white and the price consistently trades above the range filter moving upward. Conversely, a bearish trend is identified when the candles are colored blue and the price consistently trades below the range filter, moving downward. Now, when you double-click on the range filter and then on the Style tab, you want to disable the range filter, the high target, the low target, and the bar color, as well as the high target range and the lower target range, and then you will click OK. So we are only going to be left with the buy and sell labels, and that's basically what we are going to be using from this indicator. Here's an example of where this range filter buy and sell indicator gave an excellent trading signal. Here on the chart, you can see that when the price came up from here, the price consolidated so much around here. And then when the price broke and closed below this low target range, using this long bearish candle, you got a sell signal from the indicator, and then you could have placed a sell position at the close of the candle and set your stop loss just above the candle's open. and extend your profit target down to this level. You can see that this is a decent risk to reward ratio. Here's another example, but this time we are only going to be using the buy and sell feature of the indicator. Here on the chart, you can see that as the price came down like this, the indicator gave you a sell signal, but the price immediately came back up like this and later formed this double bottom. Now when the second leg of the double bottom started forming and extending upwards, the indicator gave you a buy signal at this point, and then you could have placed a long position at the close of this candle and set your stop loss just below the candle's open, and extend your profit target up to this level, giving you a very good risk to reward ratio. But in order to take advantage of these buy and sell signals, we need to add an indicator known as the Volumetric Variable Index Dynamic Average, or the VIDIA indicator. Now you want to click on this Indicators tab and type in the Volumetric Variable Index Dynamic Average indicator. And you are going to click on this one that was created by Big Beluga, and it will be added to the chart. The VIDIA indicator is a trend indicator, one of the best I have ever discovered, and I will actually create a video in the future to talk about what exactly this indicator is. But here is a simple explanation. This indicator identifies bullish and bearish trends in the market, but what makes this indicator even better is that it gives you the volume data at each point within a trend, helping you to know when to trade and when not to trade. So this indicator not only identifies the trend direction, but also the strength of the trend. When you double-click on it, and here on the Input tab, you want to change the VIDIA length to 20. Then leave other settings to their default. Here on the Style tab, you will not change anything, and after that, you will click OK. Here's how to use this strategy to take a long position. The first requirement is that you want the range filter indicator to print a buy signal. After that, you want to make sure that the market trend is bullish, which means that this trend ribbon should be green like it is right now. Finally, you want to make sure that the trend is strong enough and that there is a higher chance of the price rising. The delta volume should be at least 20%, so we need to look down here. As we can see, it is well above the 20% limit, so we can take a long position at the close of this candle, set the stop loss under this most recent swing low, and extend the profit target up to this point. When you let the trade run, you can see that the trade was profitable. The delta volume is actually the difference between the volume for all the bullish candles and the volume for all the bearish candles within this particular trend. Essentially, it takes the buy volume value minus the sell volume value and expresses it as a percentage. Now, to take a short position, it is basically going to be the opposite, so you want to have a sell signal printed. Within a bearish trend, the trend is going to be identified as bearish whenever the trend ribbon of the VIDIA indicator is red, and then to confirm the trend is strong enough to push the price down. We need the delta volume to be at least minus 20%, and this number should be increasing towards the negative side. Here we can see delta volume was above minus 20%, which is larger towards the negative side, when compared to our minimum of minus 20%. Then we can take a short position at the close of this candle and set the stop loss above this most recent swing high, and extend the profit target down to this level, giving you a valid risk to reward ratio. Looking at this trade, you can see that the trade was profitable. So in summary, the range filter strategy combines buy and sell signals with the VIDIA trend as well as the delta volume analysis to filter out false signals, ensuring trades align with strong bullish and bearish trends in the market. Please, you all should go ahead and join my free Telegram channel because we will be going hard on Forex trading come 2025. And if you want to be part of my community in 2025, just join this Telegram channel. Again, I have created a premium VIP signal channel where I will be sending high-quality trading signals. So if you want to join the VIP channel, just send me a DM on Telegram. By the way, don't forget to click here and create an account with this Forex broker because they are currently one of the best Forex brokers in the Forex and synthetic industry. Now, if you know another trader that might benefit from this video, please share it out with them and let us know in the comment section below the concepts you would like to see covered in the next video. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload a new video.